Hey guys, today we're drawing a Mosasaurus from Jurassic Park, and it's gonna be so easy, but you're not gonna color it like my cheetah video. And my name's Dragon, I'm 5 years old, and it's gonna look really cool. Let's get started. Let's get started by making a diagonal line going down to there, okay? Like that. Round it off with the half circle. Go straight. Like that. Then we go down. Round it off. Then we make a line going like that. Like that. A line going to the middle. First, let's make the main Mosasaurus. Let's make a curved line going down. First tail. It looks real, like the real Mosasauruses had lived 65 million years ago at our houses, like the ponds. Go straight, come to there. Okay? Make a line going like that. We go backwards, like that. Make it again, like that. There we go. Let's make a curved line going from here to there. Make a line going like that. Connecting up. And going back like that. Going like that, connecting to there. Create this line. Go straight. Make a line going diagonal like that. From here, we connect it with an S line. Like that. There's our main Mosasaurus. Let's try the data and stuff. I can't fit this data. It's like that shape. This is where his eyes gonna be, but first eye, he has a line going like that. Okay, I have that shape. It's kind of like a sideways oval shape. Make a line in the middle, current this side. Okay, make that into oval shape. Make a line curving down, like a candy cane shape. Back down to there. I have that. Some wrinkles on his feet. A curved line. A small curved line going like that. Okay, there's our main Mosasaurus. We're drawing the wrinkles and stuff. There we go. The same thing on the other side. This Mosasaurus is from Jurassic Park, but it's a cartoon version we're drawing today. Let's dress. He has every dinosaur has here diet. Actually no. A line going like that. 2 wrinkles inside. This is opening up his mouth. After this, we're gonna make his teeth. 1, 2, 3, they get bigger and bigger till I go. 4, 5, 6. There we go. That's the biggest tooth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. That's so good. And I guess that's it. Thanks for watching. If you're watching for the first time, please like and subscribe my channel and press that bell icon. Bye.